Hi, Tam here from Perfect Supplements Australia. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm going to be showing you how to make my gut healing chocolate and pomegranate fudge, and it's dairy and gluten free as well. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Alright, so these are my ingredients. In my jug I've already got half a cup of coconut butter. Then I'm going to add to that some tahini and some almond butter. Even my dog wants some. You want some then? I'm going to add some tahini and some almond butter. A little maple syrup. You can omit the maple syrup if you want to do more of a sugar-free thing. Cinnamon, Himalayan salt, perfect hydrolyzed collagen powder, that's the gut healing element, raw cacao, vanilla, and a pomegranate. So I've added the coconut butter and the tahini to my food processor, half a cup each. So I'm going to add a half a cup of raw cacao. And I'm also going to add a tablespoon of the perfect coconut oil, just to help it set in the fridge. Just to get that nice set fudge. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, about a quarter of a cup of maple syrup, a crack of Himalayan salt, and a dash of cinnamon powder. And now the superstar of this fudge, the perfect hydrolyzed collagen, that's the gut healing element. So I'm going to add 2 scoops, I've already added 1, to this fudge mix. Whoops. And now I'm going to process this. So I've de-seeded 1 pomegranate, and I'm going to add the seeds to the fudge because pomegranate seeds taste absolutely delicious with chocolate, especially homemade chocolate anything. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to put it into the freezer now for a few hours, probably 3 to 4 hours, and then take it out and cut it up. And that is it. Easy. So easy and so delicious. This fudge is super healthy and will satisfy any sweet craving. Enjoy. If you liked today's video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great recipes, and be sure to tap the bell. Hope you enjoyed this and you get to make it. This one is pretty insane. Thanks for watching.